If you're looking for a compact and affordable rugged phone, I think you may want to check out the Ulefone Rugking 2 Pro. The Rugking 2 Pro is one of those devices that brings durability first without forgetting the basics. And as I mentioned earlier, it's very affordable. And speaking of affordability, the device costs just $130. As you can see, it's very cheap. Anyway, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's explore its top features. So the device runs on the Android 15, so you're getting a much more modern Android operating system, and it's the stock version. It is powered by the Unisoc T7250 octa-core processor. I know the processor isn't built for gaming or heavy multitasking, but the Mali G57 GPU and the combination of 8GB RAM made up of 4GB physical or base and 4GB virtual keeps everyday tasks smooth enough. Storage sits at 128GB. It's a UFS 2.1 storage, and if that's not enough, you can expand all the way up to 2TB via microSD. The front of the phone features a 5.45-inch 18:9 aspect ratio HD plus display, a modest LCD panel with 650 nits of brightness and a standard 60Hz refresh rate. And now for cameras, the Rugking 2 Pro keep things simple. A 13MP main camera and a 5MP selfie camera on the front. You still get a variety of shooting modes, including night mode, portrait, panorama, slow motion, time lapse, and so on and so forth. Both the main camera and the selfie camera can shoot videos up to full HD at 30fps. The device also packs a moderate 4550 mAh battery that's 4550 mAh. Charging is capped at 10 watts, but the phone does support 5 watts wired reverse charging plus a convenient 10 watts dock charging option. Other features include a USB-C port, and you also get NFC, FM radio without headphones, OTG, GPS and other essential navigation systems. The phone also supports face unlock, a notification light, glove mode, underwater camera support. This is made possible because the phone is IP68 rated, and not just IP68, it is also IP69K, and it also is military grade standard 810H certified. The device is 176mm tall and weighs about 253.7 grams. So these are the top features of the Ulefone Rugking 2 Pro. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. This device isn't the only device coming from the Rugking series. It's also the Rugking 3 Pro and 4 Pro. I don't know when both devices will be available though. Anyway, that's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.